Listen and repeat. East, north, south, west, castle, forest, river, trip, be situated. East, in the east. We live in the east of Moscow. North, in the north. North America. The North Sea. There are a lot of beautiful places in the north of Russia. South, in the south. South Africa. South America. A lot of people go to the south for their holidays. West, in the west. West Europe. What cities and towns are in the west of our country? East to west, home is best. Castle. An old castle. In the castle. A lot of old castles are museums now. Forest. A big forest. In the forest. Bears and foxes live in forests. Forests make our country more beautiful. River. A long river. A short river. The Moskva River. The Volga River. The Thames is a river. Trip. To go on a trip. A trip to the country. To have a trip. To make a trip. At the weekend we went on a boat trip. I'll write to you about my trip to the country. Be situated. Is situated. Are situated. Where is London situated? It is situated on the River Thames.